When it comes to FinOps or cost optimization, everyone talks about reducing the cost in the cloud, but rarely people stop and think about what else is causing their bill to spike. Just recently, the internet set on fire when it was learned that one of the companies spent $65 million on DataDog in 2022, which was last year. And then everybody was trying to guess who that company was who ended up spending $65 million in a year on 2022. Now the secret is out. That company was Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the popular crypto company which really had a great year in 2021 because of all the boom and stuff. But then in 2022, the whole industry was decimated, and they had to cut down their budget 3 to 4 times. And they were, and that was the time when they woke up and realized that they were spending a fortune to Datadog. Datadog, as you know, is a leading observability tooling provider, which went public in 2019 with a current market cap of $28 billion. The company made $1.67 billion revenue in 2022, which roughly amounts to $140 million per month. On an earning call a week ago on May 4, their CEO said that this large upfront bill will not occur again. Anyway, but Coinbase was really in a tough spot because simply they didn't have the money. Now, when a media reached out to Coinbase said that yes, we have spent $65 million on Datadog, and this is not going to happen because as soon as they learned it and they were in a crunch due to the crypto bust, they started moving towards the Grafana, Prometheus, and ClickHouse stack. And if you know about it, Prometheus is a time series database, which is a very popular open source solution for systems and services monitoring, whereas Grafana is the front end for visualizing metrics, and then ClickHouse is for log management, and it's an open source, fast, column oriented database management system, which is popular choice for log management. So Coinbase spun up its in-house approach without the main goal of um, directly competing with the Datadog, but their main forte was around the crypto and not development. So they were still in confusion. And then Datadog came back and saved their relationship with Coinbase in the nick of the time as they offered them huge discount. So in the future, the bill for Datadog would be nowhere near the $65 million of 2021 because as simply because Coinbase cannot pay it, and moreover, Datadog has also realized that if they want to stay relevant and they don't want to sacrifice all of their customers due to their huge bill cost, then they have to lower their prices, and I think that is what is happening there. So I believe that before companies start looking at these expensive tooling like Datadog or even New Relic, or there are a lot of them, and just fall for their graphics, try out Prometheus, Grafana, and ClickHouse and similar open source free technologies, and try to build an in-house expertise in those tooling, because that is where most of the cost also goes along with the cloud spend. So if you're looking into the FinOps exercise, then before you start spending money on these fancy tooling, I would again say go for the open source tooling. I hope that this was interesting for you. If you have any feedback or comments, please put them in the comment section. Thank you very much.